If you're gonna make Parmigiano Reggiano, you need to do it in Italy. Only in 5 provinces. 3 ingredients: milk, salt, rennet. The cows are milked twice a day. The 5 p.m. evening milk is left overnight to separate using only the skim milk. Meet Luigi, the cheese maestro. He delivers the 5 a.m. morning milk used as whole milk and divides it among the skim evening milk. Once the copper pots are heated to 96 degrees Fahrenheit, he adds the starter, like making bread, then adds the rennet, an enzyme that thickens the milk like a yogurt. Luigi uses his magic hand. You can't use a tool. He's the master with the special touch to feel the exact texture and temperature needed to proceed to the next step. We cut with the sharp wire whisk, forming tiny curds. They drop to the bottom of the pot, separating the curds from the whey. Through the heat, the curds cling together, forming a massive ball. They cradle it in cheesecloth, cutting it into twins. Each bambino are put into molds, lined and tattooed with their signature Parmigiano Reggiano dotted form, then transferred to steel molds to further compress for 2 days, before submerging in a salt bath for 22 days. Their final resting, the Cathedral of Cheese, where they are left to age a minimum of 12 months. As they further age, the complexity deepens. 12 months is superior to eat as is, 24 months ideal for grading, and if you're lucky enough to find 36 month and beyond in the United States, I encourage you hunt for it. Enjoy with an authentic aged balsamic vinegar.
Delicioso.